ready for the Christmas table, holiday table, the big feast?
Yeah, we need a liver pate for that sort of things.
What ingredients do we have?
Liver powder, some mustard, a little bit of nutmeg, salt and pepper, eggs and cream. Mixed well and put in the oven.
And can you explain the difference between like a regular pate that you'd spread on bread or crackers and this special Danish baked one?
Yeah, but special. It's not a special Danish one because over there that's the national dish. It's on every lunch table and probably more during the day as well, and always at Christmas. That's a liver pate, US one, whatever, any sandwich, or just eat it as it is.
Yeah, yeah.
Or with a bit of beetroot or what do you call it, red cabbage or cucumbers or whatever you like. But it's a everyday sandwich spread in general, and it's very nice when it's come out of the oven and just cool down a bit. It's delicious. Of course, put it in the fridge and take it out of the fridge. It's more firm, but still good.
Yeah, yeah, great. And I think when I first tried your baked pate, I was really shocked at, well, not only how delicious it was, it's actually quite mild.
You can put in it whatever you want, and but this one is just normal light plain one, but you can put all sort of veggies in it, chopped up carrots and onion, garlic, and make it a curry one. It's just up to your imagination.
Yeah, very versatile.
You can't really spoil it. It's easy to do, and on this one the recipe says 2 eggs to those 60 grams of liver. But if you don't want eggs, you can replace it with I think it's about 30 grams of flour, and to make it gluten-free, you can use chickpeas.
Chickpeas, yeah.
Chickpea.
Okay.
But on this one, we will just use the eggs. We need something to keep
to bind it.
And otherwise, a little bit of flour will do the same. Just in case you don't want eggs.
Okay. Well, in this recipe, I don't want flour, so
No,
eggs is perfect. Excellent. All right, let's get going.
60 grams of liver powder. This one.
So you'd be getting your daily dose of B12 and vitamin A and lots of other essential nutrients.
And actually you could use our liver kelp powder as well, and that'll give you your iodine. Yeah, I just better read out of the recipe. Need a bit of salt, not quite half a teaspoon, but nearly. You can always put more salt in it.
Oh, I guess you could always add salt after for taste as
well.
well.
Quarter teaspoon of ground pepper, 1/8 nutmeg. It's not a lot, but it's.
Well, you have to have nutmeg in it's Christmas fare.
Yeah, it's all whole food, and so it's if you put a little bit, not enough, in it, it won't spoil it. And it was 1 teaspoon of mustard powder. Oh, just the mustard powder was a little bit. And then need about 200 ml of just lukewarm water, just to clean up the cream.
Yep. Now, Kel, how long does this pate last? Well, how long is it good for?
Oh, usually it doesn't last long. You put it in the fridge, and we need some 80 grams of butter, or it could be lard, not tallow on its own, but you could use coconut oil, not any seed oil. Don't use any.
Of course.
Any.
That doesn't exist as far as we're concerned.
Don't use any canola oil and soya and that sort of thing. But you can use coconut oil and then mix it a bit with olive oil. And you use a bit of lukewarm water just so the butter or fat doesn't harden up, so you can mix it properly. See if that oven is holding up. So then into the oven.
So the ovens come to temperature.
Yeah, about 160 degrees.
Yep. And it goes. Right, baby's in the oven. How long for?
Oh, probably 40 minutes or something like that. But just keep an eye on it, because all the ovens are not all the same. It's finished.
Yeah.
That's how it is.